In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an MSN XML file quickly and view your chat messages in just a few easy steps. This is a simple method if you have an old MSN chat history file and want to read it in your browser without installing extra software. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser you already have installed. Next, go to the MSN Chat History Viewer website. You'll find the link in the description below, and it should take you to the tysonmatanich.github.io MSN Chat History Viewer page. Once the page opens, look for the Choose File button. Click Choose File, and then browse your computer for the .xml chat file you want to open. This is usually your saved MSN conversation history file. Select the file, then click Open. After that, the viewer will begin loading your chat data. Just wait a moment while the page processes the file. Depending on the size of the XML file, this may take a few seconds. Once it's loaded, you'll be able to view your MSN chat messages right inside the browser. You can scroll through the conversation and read the full chat history. And that's it. You've now opened an MSN XML file and viewed the messages successfully. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.